Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee, and here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to skincare, beauty, fashion, mid-sized stuff. I'm a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and some of these partnering with other brands as a side, kind of a side hustle or whatever. I apologize today, like my tongue is numb. It is 11 degrees outside here in North Texas. I don't know if you know, like obviously I'm a Cowboys fan. I had to break out my fleece. I went grocery shopping this morning and I'm like still frozen. My nose is all red. My eyes are all glassy and stuff like that because it is so frigid cold. I just went out to the mailbox because my pair eyewear just got delivered and I wanted to do kind of a first impressions video on it. This is the first time that I've ever used the brand, and basically it is an eyewear brand. I'm assuming you're clicking on this video because you know what it is. But I have been seeing this all over my Instagram. It's upside down. There we go. There we go. But I've been seeing this all over my Instagram, and I think it's one of those things, like I was searching for reader glasses. I'm at the age where I'm starting to like do this little thing. So this eye brand, basically what sets them off is it is frames that you wear just like normal glasses, but there's a magnetic component to it, and you can change out or you can slap on some new frames. Essentially, you got your base frames and then you can snap on these things to change the look, change the color. It's kind of cool. Like why wear boring glasses when I can wear something fancy? So basically, the way the website works, you go in there, you pick out your base frame. And what I thought was really cool is the website does have the capability of like uploading a photo, or you can just use your camera and you can kind of see the different frames on there. They have a variety of different shapes and styles and stuff. You can also see a couple on like different models, but I do like the aspect of you being able to see it like on yourself. We'll see if it actually works. They have a variety of different things. They do have readers. And I want to say maybe they start at 0.50. I got like 1.25, I think it was. But they have different readers. You can select your sizes or your, strength. But then they also offer prescription. I did not do the prescription. I just did the readers. But I do like the option. Like if I know that this is going to work for me, then I will do this, because the frame itself, now I don't know how much the prescription is, so I'm sure that there's definitely a price to that, and I'm not sure if insurance covers that. You definitely have to look to see if your insurance does. But for the readers, the frames were $60. I got a code, and I think if it's still active, I'll put it down. For the little snap-ons to switch out the look, it was $25. I think it was for all of them. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Obviously really cute. The shipping, it did take a little bit, and I will research and I'll put here how long it actually took me from the time I made the order to the time that I actually got it. It wasn't like overnight, but then again, at the same time, we live in a world of Amazon, and I think we've all come accustomed to like getting it like right the next day or, pretty quickly. And that's not always the case with everything. So I felt like it was a little bit long shipping. I did pay extra shipping or priority shipping for like 3 to 5 days. So I'm glad that I did, because I felt like it did take a little bit. So I don't know how long it would have been if I didn't do the priority. I don't know. So I would say if you're like looking to do this or getting some new readers before a big event, give yourself some time, because it does take a little bit of time. Okay, so in here it has the little guide pair and just some little things there. So these are the glasses. It comes in this little case. It's hideous. The color is so ugly, but those are the colors of their brand or whatever. So it is what it is. Okay, so it has, I'm not going to use these first. I'm going to show you guys. Okay. So here are the ones that I got. These are the Kirby's. And they have different frame colors as well. So they have black, they have turquoise. I think they had like a clear, they had a blue, and I think they had like a light blue. I decided to do the turquoise. I was kind of going back and forth. You can see here, like that's how cold it is in my house, that it's actually fogging up by me just breathing on it. So here's the thing. I'm a little nervous because I have a very big nose bridge right here. You can see I got a big nose, like it is what it is. This is what I was born with. But right here is it's really wide. So I tend to have difficulty finding glasses because of that wide nose band. Like, not that they don't fit, but sometimes they pinch too much and I end up getting a headache. So fingers crossed. I didn't even look at the return policy, so we'll see. So here they are. Okay, they fit. They are a little snug right here. But not bad at all. I do like the way that they look. I like that they're a little bit oversized. I am happy that I got the turquoise, even though you can't really see it. I mean, it's just not as dark as the black, but I do like the shape of them. I do like the oversized look. So here are the, and as far, look at that. It looks like I have a black eye just because of the shadow. But they are very comfortable. I can see, they definitely feel like readers. I can see things are very clear. So that's good. These are the ones that I got to snap on. So just first impressions, they do feel a little flimsy to me. So I'd be really, really nervous about breaking these, but I do like the fact that the pouch, you can put your glasses in here. And then this little area right here is where you can put your snap-ons. So that's cool because it does feel like it needs to be protected. But at first, when I first felt it, my first impression was, okay, this is super, super cheap. But you also don't want something to be very thick because you don't want it to like look like you're wearing goggles, basically. So you do want something a little bit thin. So basically, they tell you to snap it in. Look at those snazzy things. Look at that. That is so cool. So here they are on the side. And you could definitely, I mean, obviously you can still see the band, but I don't mind that. Like, that's not that big of a deal to me. But I do love the fact that they just snap right on. I don't know why I'm shaking my head. Like, I'm at the age where I shouldn't shake my head because things don't work the way that they used to. You know how, like, as a kid, I don't know if you like ever headbanged or whatever, like where you're going like this, and I never got a headache. And now it's like all of a sudden I turn a certain way or something happens and I'm like, you know, that's the age. So they're very, I mean, they're not coming off. They're not coming off. I mean, so I don't have any fear that they're going to slide off. I do absolutely love the pink. That is what, when I was looking at the Instagram ads, this is what intrigued me about them. But yeah, now they did have options for different coatings. So you could get some that went out, like, you know, change color when you went out in the sun or whatever. Obviously I wouldn't do that on readers because I don't wear them like outside. But they did have different lenses where it, you know, blue light blocking, they had some like glare and stuff. And I was like, I don't know if I want, and of course it was all an upcharge or whatever. So I just got the basic ones and I actually really, really like them. I think they're super, super cute. I think they're super, super fun. Yeah. First impressions, really like them. Like I said, they're a little bit tight right here, but not bad at all. I do feel like I could wear them without getting a headache. They are not pinching on my nose. So if you're somebody who has a wide nose bridge like me, these are definitely, I think, a good option. But yeah, very, very cute. So now that I know that this base works for me, I will be purchasing more. I did notice that they do have the style here, Kirby. So if you ended up getting more than one style, you know exactly what, exactly what style goes with each one. Because they did have a little bit of similar styles, maybe a little bit smaller, but you don't even have to guess with it. That is just the coolest thing. Here, let me show. This is where the magnets are. So they just magnetize right there, but they just snap right in place. Like I said, they hold. So I'm loving them. I think they're super, super fun. I'm not an affiliate. This is literally my own money. I purchased first time, first impressions, but I just wanted to share with you in case you guys saw this and were like, okay, I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. I think that's a really cute option. So I'm going to be purchasing more because I do really, really like them. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please leave your comments below if you have tried this brand out, what your thoughts are. If you end up trying this brand out because of this video, please come back and leave your comments and let other viewers know what your experience was. This is obviously just my experience. I wanted to share it with you, but I definitely welcome anybody else's experience or comments. So hopefully you guys have a good one. Until next time, bye.